I had made a pledge to the people of Pakistan to implement important industrial reforms in the country. I am now beginning to redeem this pledge. As from today, the control and command of the people over the following categories of industries have been asserted. 1. Iron and steel industries. 2. Basic metal industries. 3. Heavy engineering industries. 4. Heavy electrical industries. 5. Assembly and manufacture of motor vehicles. 6. Tractor plants, assembly and manufacture. 7. Heavy and basic chemicals. 8. Petrochemical industries. 9. Cement industry. 10. Public utilities, that is to say, electricity, generation, transmission and distribution, gas and oil refineries. I am determined to see that the common man enjoys the true benefits of industrialization. The system of permits and licenses has for far benefited only a few families. Not even the small investor has been spared the exploitation of the ruling tycoons. The wealth of the nation must be for the benefit of all the people and cannot continue to be concentrated in the hands of a few individuals. The industries that have been taken over bear upon the life of every citizen and form the base without which no industrial development in the real sense can take place. The control of these industries now rests with the state of Pakistan for the benefit of the people of Pakistan. The people are now in charge of the course of their own industrial development. Now that these undertakings are to be utilized for the sole benefit of the state and the common man, the workers must make every effort to ensure increased production and the success of these enterprises. We must dedicate all our energies